money cannot bring happiness or sadness to your marriage. It's all about your perspective. Yeah. Now, listen, money can't change you. It just brings out the trueness of who you really are.
It magnifies who you already were.
So if you selfish, you're gonna be selfish. Mm-hmm. If you already know how to communicate, guess what? It's gonna make it that much better. Why? Because if you got money, you could be on the beach sipping Mai Tais and having a full conversation with your boo, having a ball. So please, I tell you, if you and your spouse are having money issues, right? Find out what is that core. What is the core?
What is the root?
Because it's not the money.
Yeah.
It's something that's within.
Yeah.
Oh, me and my wife, we're not seeing eye to eye. Okay, well, let's sit down. Let's have an effective conversation so that we can get to where we can see eye to eye. Understand, the blessing, oh my God, is in the unity. It's in the oneness.
Right.
So when you can sit down and have that conversation, listen, she's a witness, like I said. When we wasn't eye to eye, it took us 4.5 months and didn't get nowhere.
4.5 years.
4.5 years and didn't get nowhere. But when we got eye to eye, it took us 5 months to pay off $25,000 worth of selfish debt.
And then from there, we were able to accomplish our goals to move into our first property.
Right.
And then from there, we set another goal.
We said, come on.
And then from there, we set another goal. So every year, we had a financial goal that we were working towards.
Right.
And to this day, every year, like we still have a financial goal.
Because y'all listen.
And we bring the kids in on the conversation.
Take over. We are married, stay